What's up, guys? Welcome to Drone Mania. Unfortunately, I can't go out and make any videos because the weather has been terrible for us again. So just waiting for another nice day to do some cool stuff. But I got something pretty special for today. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I love my drones. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm sure you guys too. I love my drones so much, I decided that I'm gonna hang them, as you can see, and it looks amazing. Very easy to do and free. So I'm gonna show you guys now how to do the same thing, the cheapest, fastest way, and almost like free. If you have these things lying around, absolutely free. If you have to go buy them, few bucks, I wouldn't believe more than a few bucks, to opposed to like 25, 30, 40 dollars, whatever people are trying to screw people with of mounts like this. But this is a free one, so check it out. It's such a good build. Even it could even hold the Phantom 4, and I'm gonna do it with you guys right now to prove to you. And I love this new one, so let's get into it. All you're gonna need is the hammer, wire, and concrete nails. Okay? In my case, it's concrete because I have concrete, so concrete nails. Depending what you kind of wall you have is the type of screws you're gonna need. Right there. First nail. And another one. The wire. Pass it through. And there you go. Beautiful. Holds everything perfect. And that's that. Then you take the next one. This is the best for here because it's so easy to connect it with this. I want that right here. Yeah. There you go. So anyways, as you guys can see, we have a beautiful wall of drones. It's the new poster of 2017. Wall of drones, or poster of drones. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video. And you go ahead and give it a shot and tell me what you think. Remember, one nail up, one nail down, and the wire. Okay, it doesn't matter which way you put the nails, which one first. But remember just to put the wire from the bottom, and then from the top, you turn it around. Very easy, as you saw. Okay, it didn't take me like nothing to do it. So, hope you guys liked this video, you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give the thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on the next Drone Mania. Thanks for watching. Peace.